Howdy Cub, it's P. Joe in Pattaya. Look at this, Sunday, 6 o'clock, the sun's going down. There's a few people on Pattaya Beach. Rained this afternoon a bit, the sand's wet and wasn't too hot, which is good. But today I thought we'd just go for a drive along the beach, check out what's happening and see quite a few people. It is Sunday though. Probably not tourists or Thais. All these lights are still going here, just near Central and the Hilton Hotel through there. You got the Great Bar across the road here, the beach house. You see there, they got a balcony on the top. There's the walkway, quite a few people. The Heart Tunnel. Bit of traffic here and there. A good club in there, good food. Alright, let's take this mighty red machine. We'll go for a spin down the beach road, see what's happening. Went out last night, excuse my rough voice, had a few sherbets. But it was a good night out, it was busy. Soy Pothole, Soy Boomerang, LK, all had a few people around. The Kamikaze Steak. Get 99 baht meals in there for us cheap Charlies. Got the band going, it's good in there always. You look at these bars, they're always popular of course, with the sun going down. It's a nice spot to be, a couple of beers. Central shopping just here. They always have little market stalls going on. It would have been busy today with the rain. See a few people walking along here. See this block of land on the left here? They were going to build 2 giant towers there, but it never really happened. So see what happens if they will build something in the future. All the shops are opening up with no tourists. Soy 11 Natural Beach Hotel and Nautical Inn. This Mike Shopping here. Great fitness centre up there as well, Coco. Mike Shopping, no tourists. Here's the Tahitian Queen, guys. They've reopened as well. How good's that? See if we can take a look through here. Tahitian Queen. Get past this bloke here. There it is, see, reopened, rock and roll since 1978. As you can see, there's a lot of shops not open or deserted or going to be rebuilt. Even this McDonald's. Oh, they've reopened, have they? The lights are on, I'm not sure. Some are reopened. They're all new here. Burger King, Taco Bell, the Royal Garden Plaza. The weekend rate. We don't have the rates up. I know petrol prices are going up around the world. Sucks. Mind you, half of it's tax. The government could really do something there. This part of the beach is down near Walking Street. Wonder if Bamboo Bar's open. Remember Bamboo Bar? We'll go up around the corner up here. I'll do Walking Street video in a couple of days. It's not that busy down there, but of course places are opening up. The beer garden and those new bars. Look at that. There's no one in there. One customer. And is the Bamboo Bar reopening? No. Still roller shutters. Used to be a great club in there. Maybe it was over 50s, but was good fun. And this goes back up to Second Road and all your massage shops. P. Joe giving you a look along the beach, something different. Remember that? There used to be a big market in there. Pattaya Market. Kebab shops doing okay. Lots of staff. And here we are, South Pattaya at the temple. Right, time is up. Thank you everyone for watching. Appreciate all your views. There we are. Sawadee Krap. This is Uru from P. Joe, over and out.